everybody, this is Jacob Nolly with the Graphite Lab, and in today's video I'm going to introduce you to our newest dashboard component, to our dashboards tool, the ServiceTitan reporting component. Basically, inside of ServiceTitan, they have a very robust reporting feature where you can report on a variety of different metrics across your data set. Inside of our Graphite Lab toolbox, obviously one of our major tools that we have available to our customers is a drag and drop buildable dashboard that can interact with your CRM. So if you're one of our ServiceTitan customers, one of the things that you can do now is actually build your own components off of your data in your ServiceTitan reports. So in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how that works. So just like all of our other components, you'll create a dashboard and you'll create it however you would like. You'll come over here and you'll click the plus button and you'll scroll all the way down to where we have reports under ServiceTitan data analysis. Now again, this will only be available to you if you have your ServiceTitan account connected to your toolbox account and you are a ServiceTitan customer. So we're going to go ahead and add that component and it'll go ahead and add that here. Now what we're going to do is go ahead and click this edit button, and what it's going to do is it's going to pull in a variety of different report categories from ServiceTitan. These are all different types of reports that you can pull in your ServiceTitan account. I'm going to go ahead and click operations, and it's going to go ahead and get all of the reports that are an operations type from ServiceTitan. So we have all these different types. I'm just going to click an appointments type. If there isn't one that you want, you can actually just go into ServiceTitan and build the report that you would like. I'm picking this appointments one. Now the really cool thing here is now it's going to populate another section called parameters and another one called chart settings, which we'll get to in a second. The parameters basically allows us to dynamically filter, just like you can in ServiceTitan, the report data. So what we're going to do here is we're going to filter this by job completion date. And what we're going to do is we're going to say that this is in the last 14 days. So basically from anytime it's a date, we want it to be dynamic. So it's the number of days in the past. So we're going to say 14 days in the past, and we're going to say to today, which is 0. Then what you can do is you can also filter it by anything that you can inside of ServiceTitan. So here is business units, and you can also include or not include adjustment invoices in your total. Then we're going to give this a title. So we're going to say count of appointments last week, previous 2 weeks. And we're going to go ahead and make it a bar chart. And across the bottom, we have all these different options, any options you do in ServiceTitan. So we're going to go ahead and click job type. So that's going to go across the bottom of our bar chart. Inside of here, you have a bar chart, a line graph, an area graph, which is just a line graph where the bottom's filled in, a pie chart, a donut chart, a scatter plot, a bubble map, a heat map, and a radial bar. So there's a ton of different things that you can do. We're just going to keep it simple for this. We're going to do a simple bar chart with a job type along the bottom, and in the vertical axis, we're going to go ahead and do a count. So basically the count of the appointments for that week for each of those job types. So we're going to go ahead and do that. We've got our title, we've got our subtitle, and we're going to go ahead and click save, and then we're going to save this document. It's going to go ahead and run that. And so basically with the ServiceTitan reporting tool, basically you can only pull the report every so often, once per minute. And so basically, since you just saw it did pull it immediately, we are just rerunning that now. And so that will pull in the most up-to-date reporting data. We will every 30 minutes, just like all of our other components, it does refresh and recycle that data so that you don't have to worry about whether or not the most up-to-date data is on your screen at any given point. So this is going to go ahead and load in. All right, so this has gone ahead and populated in, and you can see that it has the count of appointments over the previous 2 weeks. And so basically all of the different job types. So it shows you the total there. Obviously this is kind of squished here, so we can, just like all of our other components, we can move this around and we can also change the size of it. So let's go ahead and make this half the screen size. So we're just gonna go ahead and do 6x4. Save, and you're going to see we have a much more clean version of this. And so all of these are reactive, so you can pick and choose your sizes there. And this will basically populate in for each of these different job types. We had this many appointments in the previous 2 weeks. Yeah, so if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to our team, or if you're not a Graphite Tech customer and you're interested in becoming one, please head over to our website or click the contact form below, and one of our team members would be happy to do a demo. Again, this is our ServiceTitan reporting dashboard component, and we're excited to see how you guys use it.